What's going on, everyone? Hope you're alright. I'm just going to do a little bit of technical analysis for you on XRP, just sort of break down the sort of market structure that we can see here and just sort of basically go over the current price action for where we're at. So if you have a look at this here now, we had this little run up, this rally to the upside. You see we had a lot of volume within these candles, but then we sort of got up to this sort of level here, and we just sort of topped out, and we had a few attempts there to try and push higher, to try and break and make a new higher high up at these levels, but we sort of just failed, and then you can see we've come down and we sort of broke this little level of support here, and then we've sort of just been ranging basically in this little zone. So I'll mark this out for you here. So this is your top, that's your resistance, and then at the bottom we've got our support. Now I just like to use the bodies myself, but some people just use the bottoms of the wicks. I like to use the bodies of the candle. I mean, it's just personal opinion in the way that I've taught myself. But if you have a look at this candle here, you can see in this candle that it closed below all of these other candle closes. Quite a bit of quite a bit of momentum and volume within the candle. And then after this candle, we've tanked from here. And you see this all the time. You see it in the FX markets, you see it in all of the crypto pairs. But if you was to look on the lower time frame, say in the 5 minute for example, this is your break, this is your retest, and then this is your continuation down. Just have a quick look on the 5 minute time frame. You'll be able to just see it here. So if you look at that, this is your break, this is your retest, and this is your continuation down. So this level here would be the 4 hourly low of the breakout of the range. So if you go back to that, you'll be able to just see that. You'll be able to see that there. That's that's the 4 hour low. That's the break, and then the retest and the continuation. And then we've been in this downtrend here now. So I just mark this out. Just easier for you to see visually. So we had this. We had this lower low, lower high, lower low. And then you can see where price here, it's just been pushing up, and we have actually took out this lower high here. So when you're in a downtrend and you have the lower low, and then you have price pushing up and taking out these levels, so in this case lower high, that basically tells you that the directional bias of the market is changing, because once you start taking out structure and violating these levels, these key levels within the market, it's a sign of a reversal. And you can see there, we had that strong volume coming back in there, and fair play, we didn't actually get that continuation back up to here, and we have exhausted back into these levels. But what I'm sort of thinking here now is, based off this sort of structure that we've got, this downtrend, and then we're breaking out here. This is our exhaustion phase within the market. You've even got, if you was to scale down, you've even got your other little downtrends here. Low low, lower high, lower low, and then you can see that level there where this 4H candle has pushed into, and that volume there is quite strong, and then we've had this push back up to this high here. So what I'm sort of watching for now is, if we get, sorry, I'm just trying to delete that. So what I'm watching for now, you can see that we're failing at this level, at this high that we've just put in, and we're sort of struggling to break and close above here. But I'm watching for is, if we do actually get, say, a break and a close like this, with a strong bullish momentum and the full body of the candle, that then shows you that the buyers are in control, because we're taking out these major levels again. So what I'd be looking for after this is, you'll probably get your break, your retest, and then your continuations back up to these sort of levels. So you'll probably face a bit of resistance here, and then if you start breaking out of that, then of course this is your next bit of resistance that you'll be running into. But at the minute, I'm thinking it's sort of looking good. Bitcoin, it's looking promising if you watch my other Bitcoin video that I put up. But yeah, this is basically my thoughts and opinions. So, at the minute, it does look fairly good, but to confirm that we are going to get this continuation up, if we can just get that 4H candle close like that, then that'll confirm to me that we are going to then continue up, and we might get to these levels here. We've got about 6% to there, and then 14% to there. So if you're trading this and you're leveraging your trades, then it's not too bad. You'll be able to make a little bit of money if you just put some buy orders in here or something. And then of course, if we do get back up to these levels and we start taking out structure, these will be your next targets. This $1 mark around here. This is a key level, and just what I've noticed over the years, where these even numbers like $1, you find that a lot of people start taking profits at these levels. It's a bit of a psychological level, I've found. But yeah, all in all, it is looking quite good for XRP. Now I am going to do a video just sort of breaking down like the way that I would day trade and how I would actually get my entries on the lower time frame. But I might do that tomorrow or one day throughout the week. I'm going to continue doing some technical analysis on videos. I'm going to try and get one out for Bitcoin every day, hopefully one for XRP every day. But I'd like to start varying through different altcoins that I'm into. And if any of you've got any altcoins that you'd sort of like me to just break down, do a bit of analysis on for you, just leave that in the comment section. I'll try and just work my way through them. That's it for everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.